Okay, let's take a look at the second example here for today. I've got this slope here on the left side, and I want to use the type of slope, that knowledge, to help me predict what the answer is going to be. So the first thing before I start any calculations, I'm going to look at the type of slope. I see that it's decreasing from left to right, and then I come down here and look at my chart, and I see that this graph that's up here looks like this type of slope here. It's negative. It's decreasing from left to right. So what that tells me is my final answer is going to be a negative number. So because I know that the slope is negative, I know my final answer is going to be negative. So we start off by subtracting the y values. So I'm going to subtract 2 minus negative 4 inside parentheses, and then 1 minus 3. So let's go ahead and simplify the numerator. 2 minus minus. When you have two negative signs, they become plus. So 2 plus 4 is 6. In the denominator, 1 minus 3 is negative 2. It is negative 2 because the 1 is smaller than the 3, so we subtract them. And then we keep the sign of the 3, the negative sign, because 3 is bigger than 1. And then once you have 6 over negative 2, you can simplify that fraction because 6 and 2 have a common factor. 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3. Notice our final answer is a negative number, and when we started off the question, we were expecting a negative slope. So this is a really important tool in your understanding of linear equations, straight lines. The type of slope tells you the type of answer that you're going to get after you finish your calculations.